Are you looking for a reliable way to convert your Thunderbird emails into MHTML format without losing data? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to MHTML Converter is the perfect solution for you. This powerful tool is designed to help users quickly and accurately export Thunderbird mailbox data into MHTML format while preserving the original structure and integrity of emails. Key features of the tool: automatic file detection. Quickly load Thunderbird files using the Smart Auto Load option. Maintain folder hierarchy. Keeps the original folder structure intact during conversion. Batch conversion support. Export multiple Thunderbird mailboxes simultaneously without any hassle. User-friendly interface. Designed with a simple and intuitive interface for smooth operation. Step-by-step guide to export Thunderbird emails to MHTML. Step 1. Install and launch the WholeClear Thunderbird to MHTML Converter. Step 2. Select the Thunderbird directory location and click on Next. Step 3. Choose the option to add files and load your Thunderbird data. Step 4. Select MHTML as the output format from the conversion options. Step 5. Browse and choose the destination folder to save the converted files. Step 6. Click on the Convert Now button to begin the conversion process. After a few minutes, the conversion will be completed successfully. You can then open the converted MHTML files easily in any web browser. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.